Phutbol nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri rangba ka Jylla ukanrat sangma ula Khot Sngewbha ya kanong Jinglehkai Phutbol ka Jylla ka Sanfida nongrum kabla yo mi khmat ya ka Jylla bar ka ri India hirin san Jinglehkai Phutbol hak berthei bat kabla yo ban thap kol ningkong ya ka ri India hadian ki postnam hak Jinglehkai ki kenthei hak hirin san ka berthei ka Sanfida nongrum habakran shakilat pathai kubor kalapan pau baka klempoi perkhat bakan yo jingarap nu menteri rangba ka Jylla bat ongru bakampoi perkhat bakin buon kinong kershan yaka kapor baka let ban Jinglehkai shabar kala ai mensi mi ki wei bakim de ban eno yaka ek bakitmu hendai ki de ban treshtom yaka ek jingtmu baki don hak jingem ka Sanfida nongrum kala yo mi khmat yaka ri India hak Jinglehkai ki kenthei hak AFC Women's Asian Cup harjar arpondriu kabla long ha Australia hak South Ri leber hak ni ki Jinglehkai ka Sanfida kala yo thap shikol yaka ri India hak jingkhun persha yaka Vietnam Hendai ke India kala syaram no ada arkul le iwei haka Vietnam. Ka jingyo thap ka kenhuan ki thei Jinglehkai ka ri India haka AFC Women's Asian Cup ka de hadian arplais nam. Bagi klam yo thap kol show. Kumta ka Sanfida nongrum kala Wanrah ana mi ka Jylla ban ka riru kumjo watla ka kenhuan kala syaram no. Ka jing Khot menteri rangba ya ka Sanfida kalong banekran ya ka ka jinon kam jongka nak benta ba unai ka jingaram.
Ready. Thank you.
Support I could give that time I announced, but I just wanted to know if there's anything more we can do to support you further, to help you, and because we would like to see that sports persons like you should become inspiration for others. So it's not about you alone; it's about what message you will give to the youngsters about hard work, discipline. So I would like to see that. So if there's anything you want to say, you want to mention to me, then you can always take this opportunity.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much for the cash award you gave me also.
Okay, you deserve it. You deserve much more.
Yes. And I feel honored to support me also. Support me. Thank you so much.
I'm thinking we'll also, because you see what I'm starting one small program where I want to tell these different cement companies that they bring all these big stars and they put all their big photos and all that, and they give the money to them. So I've told all of the companies now that I want you to pick up our local boys and girls now, and it's not a big amount, but whatever small amount you can give to each one of them, and then they'll use your photo, of course, for their advertisement and all. So I'm starting that program also. So I'm calling all of them. I've given some names already, so I'll be giving your name also to them that they should give you. Then they will call you and then they'll think. So just take a note of that. Shima? Yes, sir. Yeah. So we'll do whatever we can do for the support you.
Thank you, sir.
And just want to ask, how was it feeling when you scored the goal? Was it great?
So really happy.
Yeah, we all are feeling very happy. Great. So congratulations. Thank you once again. May God bless you.
Thank you. Kakateng jangan di Sanfida nor masa amopat de kum ka experience Jinglehkai bat national team kalang ka ban dan kat lang bat ki seniors ban kumno ban yang keren bat ki kalong hakan engkong tengai traji suba dan kat lang bat nga hadukan ni ka thongbo dan kat banga po banga thap to ka gur ngas akaman ba kala akaman long ba ka kaman ru kata ka ju hi long sosi ru bangim job ma to kasi chief minister yarap yang long ngampoi perkat ma và bandan jing yarap hadukan ni te nga kaman hi ta malong ka Ngampai perkat bagi buan nong supporter yang aruk mo. Ngadan morway sa teiru makan aruk ngai iki nong support seni pak kilong ki support bade. Tengah keban ba nang tai CM ru ngalong ngai play ba I layarap yang adu kat ni yang support yang message what give up in your dream ke bafi dream long what do you give up work hard bit tungu ya kawi ka goal bafi dan te long try bi ya ka ka tu bafi dan deh ka lom ka goal jonga di football nga kwa be ban focus tang ka weekend ka goal untai try stem anta purpose to be happy atai